Hi friends, in this lecture we will see what is Amazon Comprehend and what is Amazon Comprehend Medical. So what is Comprehend? Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to find insights and relationship in text. So do we really require machine learning experience to learn Comprehend? Certainly not. Let's say, for example, you want to do some text analytics. So you have some text data or the data is available in a document. If you can produce this input to the comprehend that can understand the data and that can produce accurate data results in 4 categories mainly, like entity, key phrases, language, sentiment of the text. Also, that can produce topic modeling also. Based on topic that can divide the topics and place all your data into respective topics. And second one is comprehend medical. This is mainly for extracting complex medical information from unstructured text. So such as the medical conditions, medications, dosage, trends, and frequency from a variety of sources like doctor's notes, clinical trial reports, and patient health records. So if you can give a medical document to the comprehend that can understand your data and that can analyze the text. So let's see the categories one by one here. Here I'm going to take an example here. This is the text what I'm trying to give to the comprehend. So what the comprehend can produce now based on the given input. So if you can observe this text, Amazon.com is an organization and Settle WA is a location. July 5th, 1994 is the date. Jeff Bezos is a person name. And if you can observe here, a comma here, this is a punctuation. If you can observe here, the customer is a key phrase and the overall language of this particular text is English. And what is the overall sentiment of this particular text? So comprehend can produce all this type of results by understanding the data. So let's move on to the very first category, entity. So when you give this particular text to the comprehend entity API that can produce this type of results, the entity, category, and conference of the result. Let's say the very first one is Amazon.com INC that can comes under category organization and the conference is 0.90. The next one is Settle WA. The category comes under location and the conference is 0.89. The third one is July 5th, 1994. That is a date. So that can understand that and produce under the date category. And the conference is 0.99 plus. Next one is Jeff Bezos. Is a person name that can comes under category of person and the conference is 0.99 plus. So like this, that can analyze our text and can produce the accurate data. And if you can see here, every category has its own color. Next one is key phrase. So what are the key phrases available in that particular text that can produce over here along with the confidence? The next one is language. So what is the language of our text? English, right? That can give the confidence of 0.99. The next one is sentiment. So what is the overall sentiment of that particular text? The neutral sentiment is 0.96, confidence, positive 0.03, and there is no negative or mixed sentiment. And the next one is syntax. So what are the syntaxes are available in that particular text? So Amazon.com, the part of speech is proper noun and the conference is 0.94. A comma here, that's the punctuation with a confidence of 0.99 plus. And if you can see here is a auxiliary verb and conference is 0.98. And located is a verb, the conference is 0.99 plus. So there's nothing to bother about this one. If you just give your input to comprehend, that can take care of everything by using its own trained internal APIs, and that can produce the results. And you can save these results in your S3 bucket, and you can take that S3 bucket as the input. If you are an ETL developer, you can extract that particular S3 bucket and place the data in a structured format into Redshift or any RDBMS. Reporting team can use that particular data and use for visualization purpose so that they can understand what the text document contains exactly. And the next one is medical. If you can give a medical document as an input to the comprehend, that can produce the results in this format. The first one is patient is 40 years mother and the profession is high school teacher, and history of personal illness. That is, the symptom is sleeping trouble and the symptom rash and the symptom itchy. And what are the medications are proposed? It's going to be brand of the medication and doses and how frequency that has to be take. So this is how comprehend can produce the results. So you can stay tuned for next practical sessions. So please subscribe to our channel DWBIADDA videos for more updates. Thank you so much.